The strategic prospector, from luck to logic. Mastering the science of recovery through hydrodynamics, geology, and efficient tooling. This guide is designed for those who have moved past initial gold fever and are ready to transition from the excitement of discovery to the discipline of professional recovery. The goal is to refine technique and transform river landscapes into maps of high-probability targets. The golden rule: specific gravity. Gold is lazy. It wants to drop, settle, and hide. Specific gravity differentiation. Water, SG, 1.0. Gravel/rock, SG, approximately 2.5. Gold, SG, 19.3. Because gold is 19 times heavier than the water carrying it, it requires significant force to move. Your objective is to find points where the water lost enough energy to drop this heavy metal. Hydrodynamics and low-pressure zones. The drop zone. When the current slows down, the heaviest materials are the first to drop. Inside bends. As water curves, the inside track loses velocity, making it the primary deposition zone for heavy materials. Low-pressure zones. Prospectors look for places where the river takes a breath and releases its payload. Physical traps. Obstructions and bedrock. Obstructions. Look behind large boulders or downed trees. The turbulence creates a low-pressure pocket immediately downstream where gold settles. Bedrock cracks. Exposed bedrock acts as the river's floor. Natural sluices. Longitudinal cracks in the bedrock act as natural traps. Finding these often leads to pay dirt. The indicator. Follow the black sand. The association. Gold is almost always accompanied by other heavy minerals, specifically magnetite and hematite. The rule. If heavy black sands are accumulating in a deposit, the physics are correct for gold to accumulate there as well. Strategy. Where there is black sand, there is potential for gold. Macrogeology. Contact zones and veins. Contact zones. Look for volatile zones where two different rock types, such as granite and slate, meet. Quartz veins. These zones often host quartz veins, which are the primary source of gold. Ancient history. Consult geological maps. If gold was found in an area 100 years ago, missed pockets or microgold likely remain today. The efficiency of tailings piles. The opportunity. Historic commercial mines left behind waste piles known as tailings. The strategy. Modern prospectors can find success reprocessing these piles because past technology often missed smaller flakes that modern equipment can recover. The armory. Excavation and crevicing. Estwing rock. Pick. Essential for prying into bedrock cracks and breaking apart cemented gravels. Crevice tools. Small trowels, hooks, or screwdrivers are necessary to scrape the deepest cracks where the heaviest nuggets hide. Classification. the secret to speed. Classifiers, sieves. These screens are used to remove large, worthless stones from your material. Efficiency. It is faster and easier to pan material that is consistent in size. Benefit. Proper classification increases both your processing speed and your recovery rate. Separation. The modern gold pan. Plastic versus steel. While steel is traditional, modern plastic pans are superior for beginners. The advantage. Plastic is lighter for all-day use and features molded riffles, ridges, that effectively trap gold. Precision recovery. The cleanup snuffer bottle. A specialized vacuum bottle designed to suck up tiny flakes from the pan without losing them. Pro tip. Use a magnet inside a plastic bag to lift magnetic black sand away from your gold, instantly isolating the yellow flakes. Scaling up. The sluice box. The multiplier. A sluice box allows a prospector to process 10 times more material than panning alone. Usage. First, establish a location's viability with a pan. Then, deploy the sluice to work the deposit efficiently. The strategy. Sample first, dig second. The rule. Never commit to a full day of digging without sampling first. The method. Scout location. Pan small sample, test holes. Check for color, flakes. If gold is found, begin production. Dig and deploy sluice. The prospector's disciplines. Research. Use maps to find historic contact zones and tailings. Read the water. Target low-pressure zones and inside bends. Classify. Ensure material is uniform before panning. Sample. Verify the presence of gold before committing to a full dig. Conclusion. Success is not about luck. It is about reading the river's history and applying physics to recover what it has hidden. Next steps. Regulations and regions. Know the rules. Prospecting is a regulated activity. Verify specific regulations for your target region before starting. Know the land. Research known gold-bearing regions to ensure legal compliance and geological positioning.